Alright, hello everybody. This is my project.py, the final project for the Harvard CS50 Python course. For this project, I did a bit of a financial model. I used a course that I found online from my university where the professor recorded a bunch of videos online and posted it, and he had source code for the projects. And that's where I realized I wanted to learn Python because I wanted to learn how to complete the projects that he had in that course. So I used the base source code to get all of these like the data, and then from there I completed the project on my own. So pretty much what this project is it's a retirement model using the inputs given here. So we have the starting salary, the promotions, like how often promotions happen, the cost of living, how much it rises, the promotion, like how much of a raise you get per promotion, the amount that you're saving, and then the interest rates for the amount that you save, and then the desired cash for when you want to retire. So first I have my salary at year where I use the parameters of data in year, and I find the number of promotions by taking the integer for a year and then dividing it by from this data set the promotions every n years. So whatever number we have in this year, we'll end up dividing it by 5, and that shows how often the promotions happen. And then this is going to be our like salary t, it's like our desired salary. So like whatever salary we want, like say if we want a salary like 10 years from now, 15 years from now, this is the formula to get it. I wrote the formula here in numeric form. Just um is starting salary multiplied by 1 plus the annual cost of living rising, square, or then to the power of the number of years, then multiply that by 1 plus the promotion raise percentage, and then to the power of number of promotions. Then after we figured out the salary, we figured out how much cash was saved each year by using the salary that we found, and then multiplying it by the amount that we save each year. And then after that we find the wealth of each year, which is where we just take the amount of cash that we saved, and then we use a wealth formula, which is wealth at X amount of years equals the wealth of the prior year, which is X minus 1, multiplied by a 1 plus the investment rate, which was given in this of 0.05, and then adding the amount of cash that we've saved. So after that we get the wealth, and then from there we're able to find the amount of years to retire. So that's where we take like we put everything at 0, and what we do here is that we use a while loop. So we keep on looping everything where so while current wealth is less than the data of the desired cash, which is what we have up here, we're constantly looping until we get the desired cash. So if we don't have the amount of wealth that we want to retire, then we'll do that year plus 1, creating a loop. And then that's where we'll see when will our wealth equal the amount that we want to retire. And then in main we have like that process working out. So if we run the code here, we can see that we get the outputs from years 1 all the way through 28, and then it will say retirement will take 28 years to retire, or it will take 28 years to retire, because if we go back up here, our desired cash is 1.5 million, and at year 27 we hit 1.41 million, and then at year 28 then we finally hit 1.5 million. So that's how long it will take for us to retire. Then in PyTest here I have the the test to see if the calculations are equivalent to what they should be. So then right here I will run pytest of test underscore project dot py, and as we could see here, it passed all of the tests. So this is my CS50 final project.